Ever wondered how China can produce everything from a phone to a toothbrush at prices that make your wallet go, finally? Well, today we're diving into the secrets behind China's legendary low prices, and trust me, it's not just magic. First up, mass production. Imagine making a cup of chai for 5 people. Now imagine making it for 500 million people. That's China's approach. They mass-produce products like they're on a mission to outpopulate the universe with goods. When you make 1 billion of something, the cost per item drops like a Bollywood plot twist. And it's not all just sheer numbers. China's factories are highly automated robots and conveyor belts working harder than your alarm clock on a Monday morning. Fewer humans, lower costs, cheaper products. Simple as that. But wait, there's more! China's got what we call economies of scale. That means they buy materials in bulk, so they get deals that make even the biggest bargain hunters jealous. Imagine buying millions of screws or bolts all at once. The price per piece is so low, they practically get it free. This cost saving gets passed down to you. Let's not forget super efficient logistics. China has shipping and supply chains like a high-speed train network. They can move products from factories to ports, and then to your doorstep faster and cheaper than you can say, express delivery. Plus, companies get government incentives to keep that shipping cheap and fast. Another big reason? Low labor costs. But hold up! This doesn't mean everyone's working for pennies. Instead, China has a huge workforce, meaning a lot of people competing for jobs, which keeps wages lower than in many other countries. And last but not least, tax policies. In China, manufacturers get to enjoy lower taxes and subsidies from the government. Imagine getting a thank you note from your government every time you export something. Lucky manufacturers, right? So next time you grab something with a Made in China label and wonder, why is this so cheap? Remember, it's a mix of huge factories, efficient shipping, bulk buying, and a workforce that's all about getting things done. And hey, just because it's affordable doesn't mean it's low quality. But that's another story. See you next time. Until then, happy bargain hunting. Subscribe for more insights.